Today, because they're also really important. Remember, this one's got apple rings on. Do you want to take this home with you?
I was thinking about the new, so now it's no way to. They're very dirty. I'm just worried.
Wassailing! Drink it!
Where the trees are.
We're going to play another tune for us. That last tune was called June Apples, which of course is what the Wassailing about is really blessing apple trees. But we're going to play another tune for you called Willowfield, which is a Shetland tune. And again, if you want to clap along, bang along, while Nicky's getting things, we'll just do a couple of things.
Ready, everyone?
Excellent. Sounding good. Here we go more, yes. Sounding good.